Amigas, amigos, Malecon Manny here. Just got back from LAX. Great flight. There she is. Super flight. We'll talk a little bit more about it after when I get into the airport. Hey, amigas, amigos, Malecon here. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Just haven't been recording for a while. I've been pretty busy for well, since I left Mexico. So been going back and forth, back in La Paz now. Had to do a quick personal trip back to Canada, but flew back and flight was fantastic. Just from LAX to La Paz, an hour and 45 minutes. A little bumpy, but excellent service and highly recommend it. Alaska Airlines. Okay, so going to security now. See ya.
Is that Malecon Manny? That is Malecon Manny. Unbelievable. This guy is on YouTube channel traveling around showing these amazing places that I dream of going, and I get to see this on YouTube. Guy's like a dream killer. Just makes me want to go everywhere, and he gets to do it all. God, I just gotta go there someday.
Don't forget follow Malecon Manny, okay, on YouTube.
You heard it.